Dumber.
That's her name.
Notice that it is spelled right. People say it's Dumb and Dumber. Dummies.
Yeah.
Scientific files of Scientifically Dumb
And Dumber's Science. Now that the show is science,
It's not about social studies.
math, or Heath.
Health. Speaking of Heath, I'm in the mood for a Heath bar.
I'll buy you one later, but now we have to do the show.
Okay. You should also know that this time...
Everybody clap your hands.
Thank you. You're too kind.
We'll sign autographs later.
Our topic today on Dumb and Dumber Scientific Files of Dumb and Dumber Science is clapping. Just kidding. It's volcanoes. This is a picture of a volcano.
Going boom.
Now we're going to be
Models, and we'll tell you what that has to do with volcanoes after we're done. Models.
models.
Ready for my close-up?
My close-up. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you're still probably wondering, what does models have to do with volcanoes?
It has nothing.
Wait, Dumber, it does. We're going to use a model volcano to show you how a volcano erupts.
Okay, now our first segment is
Puppet
Theater. Now we're going to introduce our special guest, the
Jenkins family.
This is Mrs. Jenkins.
And this is Mr. Jenkins.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jenkins.
And I'm Mr. Jenkins.
We just moved under a volcano, which people are saying is a very bad idea. Because people are saying that it's dormant.
Which means it hasn't erupted for 200 years, but it'll erupt again.
And so that means it's not extinct.
Which means it'll never erupt again.
And it's not active.
Which means it currently erupts.
We don't know what to do. We think it's going to erupt right now. We're not sure it's going to happen. Sorry if you never see me again. Ah!
We haven't seen them since. Now that you know our topic, you might have some questions.
And they might be important questions. You may be asking, what is a volcano?
Yes. Or, what are the different types of volcanoes?
Or maybe you're asking, what is it like after a volcano erupts?
Or maybe you're asking, what is inside a volcano?
And you just might be asking, what is the biggest volcano?
Or you're asking, what are the different types of lava?
So don't go look them up, because we'll be right back with those answers after this commercial break.
Brr.
I'm cold.
Me too. Is your mama cold-hearted?
Does she sometimes give you the cold shoulder, which is a good thing in this case?
Yeah. Does she deserve a gift?
Is your mama good to you?
If you answered yes,
Or no to any of these questions, you should take her to
a magma chamber.
A magma chamber is a pool of red-hot magma at the bottom of a volcano in the mantle, where red-hot magma flows. When a volcano erupts, the magma flows up through vents and out the volcano. When the magma is out of the volcano, it is then called lava.
Yes. And do you know what else is great about a magma chamber?
What?
You can get a nice dark tan, and you might even disintegrate.
How nifty.
Yep.
Have your feet ever gotten cold?
Always.
All you have to do is go into a magma chamber and your feet will get nice and toasty. And to get out,
Well, you might not get out.
sorry, but if the word gets out, don't tell anyone you saw this commercial. And if you call right now, you can get out pocket-sized
Magma chamber.
It's a visible tip.
Yeah, got a little news about her.
So for now,
Swing your partner round and round,
go by your
Magma chamber.
magma,
Chamber.
magma,
Chamber.
magma,
Chamber.
magma.
Chamber.
I just love that commercial.
Me too, they look exactly like us.
They must be copying our looks. How dare they?
Yes.
So now, here are the answers to those important questions.
What is a volcano?
A volcano is a giant hole or crack in the Earth's surface. Here's a picture of a volcano.
Yeah. And another question is, what are the different types of volcanoes? Well, there's a fissure volcano.
And there's a caldera volcano.
And there's a shield volcano.
And there's a dome volcano.
And there's an ash cinder volcano.
And there's also a composite volcano.
What is it like after a volcanic eruption? After an eruption, a volcano has destroyed many things, such as cars, cities, homes, and lives.
How sad.
Yeah.
What's inside a volcano? A volcano is made up of long pipes called vents. Vents connect to the Earth's crust where red-hot magma then flows into the mantle through a vent into the magma chamber. There's the magma chamber.
Yep. What is the biggest volcano? The biggest volcano is on Mars. It is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It is called Olympus Mons.
Here is a picture of Olympus Mons.
Yes. It's on Mars. You have to go in space to see it.
What are the different types of lava? Hoi
Hoi hoi, ah,
and pillow are the different types of lava. Here's pillow
Pillow.
lava,
Then there's ah lava.
and
then
hoi hoi lava.
Now it is time for our experiment.
Here is our volcano. You can also use a cup. Now for this experiment you need the ingredients, which are
1½ cups of baking soda,
1 cup of vinegar,
a few squirts of orange, red, yellow hand soap,
or dish soap, 4 or 5 drops of red food coloring. Now,
Hey, now, we're going to do the basic steps.
first put the baking soda in, which we've already measured out.
yes.
Then you should move it to a sink. Things may get messy.
Yep.
Then add the cup of vinegar in a separate cup.
Then you
In
add
the same cup,
the dish soap and the food coloring. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5. Then, always remember to
watch it go boom. And now we have to
Take it back now, yeah.
remember to take a step back. Things may get messy.
okay.
Now,
Here it goes.
it's the magma.
Ah! Whoa. Whoa.
There's the credits. Look at them. They're important. And always remember, children, this show was brought to you by the Dum and Dumber Studio Productions. Now,
Oh, yeah. I'm out of here, y'all.
for now,